This is a brand new 2014 BMW X5. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 4.4-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, BMW Assist, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, Dakota leather upholstery, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, cornering lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: comfort access, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, cruise control, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.